How to fix NVIDIA Error Code 43. Welcome back, everyone. I have a HP Z2 Mini G9 here today. The client brought it in because of graphics card issues. The infamous NVIDIA Error Code 43. I have attempted the following steps, unfortunately without success. Updating drivers directly from NVIDIA's website. Uninstalling and reinstalling NVIDIA drivers. Rolling back device driver. Restarting NVIDIA Display Container LS from services. At this point, I'm going to replace the graphics card. But before I get into it, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel if you find this helpful. Also, check out our website for parts. Alright, let's get started. Remove the access panel. Remove the graphics card. Installing the new NVIDIA graphics card. Align the GPU's PCIe connector with the PCIe slot, then push down until the graphics card is firmly in place. Fasten the Phillips screw. Lastly, install the access panel.